Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. I'm going to teach you how to make a fun burlap flag for Patriotic Day, Memorial Day, Labor Day. You can use this for lots of different things. So these boards are available in my shop. It is a 12 by 12 board. You may have access to some yourself. You can use canvas. Just kind of use whatever you have and make it work for you. To start, we are laying a coat of white paint across the whole board, tops, sides, edges, all the things. Next, we are going to paint two stars that we actually got from Dollar Tree. I also have these in my shop if you want to grab them when you grab the board, but we're going to go ahead and put a coat of white paint on those as well. Now we're going to mess with some burlap. We are going to use a navy burlap, and you can tell that I pulled a piece out and I am wanting the edges to fringe a little bit. So the edging on this particular burlap does have a stitched edge, so I cut that off, but then I'm going to pull the long pieces out. You're going to see right here, right there, and you can see that it is giving it a fringed look, which is super, super cool. Once you have it fringed as much as you want, we're going to lay it to the top of our board, and we're going to wrap it around and just hot glue it. Now to do our flag stripes, we are going to use like masking tape, washi tape, whatever you have on hand that works for you, and we are going to paint our stripes. I wanted this to have a distressed look, so I did not do a solid coat of white. You can see here that you can see some of the white showing through. Once you have your stripes the way you want, we are going to add a little bit of a red to our stars as well. Once your stars are dry, you can adhere them on. I did one on each side of our burlap piece that we hot glued on, and now we're gonna dress it up with a bow. You can see here that I do my bows. I crisscross pieces, just multiple pieces of ribbons, and then we're gonna tie it all together, and it's gonna create a really fun textured bow. Once you're happy with how your bow looks, you can hot glue it on in between the two stars. And you guys, this is such a simple project that was so fun to make. I hope that you make one and share pictures with me. If you love this DIY and all things home creative, please make sure you're following on theruffleddaisy.org and following me on all the social media channels.